like to explain the whole price sensitivity methodology with a case. To give you a little bit more background into this case is based upon a group of companies, a mother holding with all kind of daughter companies, where this mother holding is really looking for a kind of single source of truth, which they can apply with price sensitivity drivers, because all their companies, the daughter companies, are similar organized. They have the same kind of product characteristics they sell. Yeah, you see here some details about the revenue and about the product assortment to give you a little bit more background. And they're really looking for a single sort of truth, an optimization method, which can easily be copied and scaled and duplicated to the multiple companies they manage. So how does our methodology work? It actually works in 3 steps. First, we define the rules, then we fine-tune and train the machine learning model, and then we take action. And our Symson platform has a big role in all those 3 steps. It's actually automating this methodology.